Hey everybody, Joel Ort here with Hobart Welders. Today we're in the shop, and instead of maybe repairing a fence or building a gate, I'm actually going to be checking off an item on my honey-do list. My wife had approached me with an idea for an upcoming photo shoot that our daughter's going to be doing in the barn with her horse. And her idea was to build these decorative steel globes, wrap them in Christmas tree lights, and hang them from the ceiling along with some other lighting we have in the barn just to capture a nice look. So what she'd like me to do is build 4 of these. This one's 2 feet, and we're going to go all the way up to 4 feet diameter. Very simple project. All you really need to do is figure out the circumference so you can measure your material and cut it to length, wrap it around, bring the ends together and weld it, and then just keep going around and shaping your ball. So we're going to get this project started and get our material cut. So we're starting out with the 4-foot globe, and I measured and cut all of these pieces to 12.6 feet. I used an online calculator to get that measurement that I needed, so you can go ahead and find that and use that for yours. I do have this metal roller here that I use to roll them. If you don't have something like this, you can form yours by hand. But I have it set, so we're going to go ahead and run it through. All right, and that's it. We'll do 6 more of these, and once we're done with that, we'll wrap them together and weld the ends and keep working our way around to make the globe. So I just finished forming all of the rings. The next step is going to be to weld them together to make the globe. The first one can get a little bit tricky trying to get the first weld in there. So what I typically do is take a piece of scrap flat stock that I cut off. I'll clamp it on both ends. It just makes that first weld a lot easier. And always remember to read and follow all labels and your owner's manual. Okay, that looks good. I'm really happy with how this project turned out. And the next step on it will be to wrap it in the Christmas tree lights and take it out to the barn and get it hung up for the photo shoot. One of the really cool things about this though is it's going to be a multi-use project, because after we're done with the photo shoot, we're going to put these in front of the house and use them in the landscaping for decoration this winter. So that's going to be kind of neat. If you like this project, and for more projects like this, keep watching our YouTube channel and hit subscribe.